All right, you're on another quick Kareem's quest, right? And can you identify what type of vehicle this is? Do you know what type of vehicle this is? An old-time vehicle, right? And I'm at a garage right now. And I'm gonna go around this and now and show you. I don't want to show you the name of the vehicle. So I'm not going to show you the name of the vehicle. But I'm going to go inside. And if you go to my Kareem's Quest website and do my Jamaica Knowledge, my quiz page, you'll see all of these things. This vehicle used to be used as a taxi a lot back in the day. And they plan to renovate it. I don't know how long the renovation is going to take. But, you know, them digging out every single thing. And you remember these bench seats? Anybody remember these bench seats? Especially the front bench seats. A lot of these drivers used to like to put the woman in the middle of these bench seats. Anybody know why? If you know why, you let me know. This is the gauge cluster right there. Right up here says the gauge cluster. This is your horn that you press.